on KUSI tonight at 10:45 in the All Sports Report and throughout the weekend. All right, our last entertainers tonight is a local San Diego action sports entertainment company that has presented more than 5,000 live performances worldwide since 1996. Their shows have been seen everywhere: Disneyland, Legoland, any land, they've been performing there. Thousands of schools and whatnot. This inspirational group sends a positive message to kids that anything is possible if you all make the right choices, such as living a drug-free life and a violence-free existence, and focusing on big goals and dreams. Please, get ready and welcome the Wheels of Freestyle to the stage to present the 180 Revolution BMX Stunt Show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what you're about to witness is a professional BMX thrill show featuring some of the world's most accomplished professional extreme sports athletes. The stunts they will perform are the result of a lifetime of hard work, practice, and determination. Please do not attempt to copy or try these tricks on your bikes. They are very technical, difficult, and require the right equipment, training, and ability. Enjoy watching the amazing professional stunts, but never attempt them yourself. Before we start, we want to encourage the kids and big kids to always wear a helmet and check your bikes. We promote bicycle safety, and the best way to protect yourself when riding is to wear a helmet. We also check and maintain our bikes to be sure our equipment works for us. We highly recommend that you do the same. You can quickly check your tires, seat, handlebars, chain, and most importantly, brakes to be sure your bike will give you a safe ride. Our athletes also promote a drug and violence-free lifestyle. We stay focused on positive goals and dreams and encourage all the kids to find a dream and go for it. Our sport teaches us the value of hard work, patience, determination, and going big. Never settle for less than you can be. We encourage you to go big. Finally, action sports are adrenaline sports. They're best performed when we are pumped. For this reason, we encourage our audience to make noise, and lots of it. When you see us approaching the ramps or doing ground tricks, the more noise you make, the more energy you provide, and the better tricks you'll see today. It's your show, so let's have some high energy fun.
Introducing the riders, Mr. Dave Holden, the president of Wheels of Freestyle, starting off on the ground. Let's see what you have in mind, Mr. Dave Holden, everybody.
February 5th, Friday morning, purple dawn.
He's been riding his bike for over, 35 years. He's 41 years old and still riding a little kid's bike. So here we go, Mr. Dave Holden on the ground. This is flatland freestyle, everybody. Usually when you ride flatland, it's in hard surfaces. Now he's working around the grass and pulling it up nice and clean. Well done, let's give it up for Mr. Dave Holden. Now, this next rider, he's been riding his bike for over, 25 years. He's a silver medalist. He was in the X. He's a former BMX stunt rider. Now, he's in X Games. And now, let's go big. Warm welcome to Mr. Mike Perani, everybody. This next rider, he's been riding his bike for over, 12 years. He's actually placing top 10 in the world riding for GT Bicycles. Let's give a big warm welcome to Mr. Victor Salazar. Now, let's see what else these guys have in mind. Here we go, Mr. Dave Holden. On the ground. A little balance move now, Mr. Mike Perani with a nice 180, pulling it upside down clean. On the box. Here we go. Take it away, guys.
Can't help but wonder who's this wind at my back. I whisper to walk on. Come on from all that. You're the only one who stuck it out this time.
Mike Perani out in the corner. corner with a grind, pulling it up nice and clean. Now on the box with a nice big 360 off the box, pulling it up nice and clean. Well done. Here we go. Now Mr. Victor Salazar with a nice ice pick back wheel. Bar spin. And pulling it up nice and clean. We're going to start off with this part of the show. It's called the lip trick section. Now Mr. Dave Holden. This trick is called the California Surfer, everybody. Well done, Mr. Dave Holden. Let's hear it for Mr. Dave Holden one more time, everybody. And now, Mr. Victor Salazar getting a lot of speed, going up in the corner. Going big hit today, Mr. Victor Salazar, everybody. With a big tough no-hander, we have Mr. Mike Pereni. With a big nail footer up the corner, coming all the way around with a nice big nail footer off the box. Well done. Now Mr. Victor Salazar getting a lot of speed, going around the corner with a big nail footer can. Well done, Mr. Victor Salazar.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this guy's gonna try something right now. We saw Victor take his feet off. We saw him take his hands off. What do you say we take both hands and both feet off the bike? How many of you guys want to see that tonight? Let's make a lot of noise, San Diego. Here we go, doing a trick called a nothing. Yeah! Let's hear it for Mr. Mike Pereni taking everything off the bike. All right. How many of you guys want to see how high up in the air we can make these guys fly? All right, to do this, we have a special guest right over here videotaping. Michelle, the owner of 180 Revolution Fitness. Let's hear it for Michelle, everybody. Come on, Michelle. And we're going to get you right up on top of the ramp. So get a running start right back here. We're going to run right up there. She is our fitness trainer, so we're all scared of her. Let's hear it from Michelle, everybody. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to see if Victor can jump right over the top of you here tonight. Right over the top. Here we go. So set up right here in the middle. And no. What do you guys think? Up higher. Come on, you're a fitness trainer. Get up higher up the ramp. Is that going to be good enough tonight? On your feet. On your feet. No, that's not good enough. You guys want to see all the way up or what? Get a little confused out there, right? So I need you to turn around. Stand right here. Face this direction. Feet right here behind the line. This is going to be fun. She's never done this before in her life. We put her on the spot here tonight. You guys get to see it. A lot of people here tonight. Let's make a lot of noise. Arms out. Get ready. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make a little bit of noise for Victor. All right. Making the turn and get a little bit of speed up. Luis, we're going to go to round number 2, guys. The grip tricks are going to get crazier and crazier the more noise you guys make. So here we go.
Thank you very much. Now, this is round number 2. Now the tricks are going to get harder and bigger. These guys are definitely not holding back it today. We have Mr. Victor Salazar, everybody. Big bar spin, pulling it off nice and clean. That was Victor Salazar. Now we have Mr. Mike Pereni, our silver medalist, with a big 360 X-up, pulling it off nice and clean. Let's give it up for Mr. Mike Pereni. Taking it away, Mr. Victor Salazar with the eye of the tiger. Big, going big on the corner, coming back around with double X-up. Now, each rider practices between Let's see what else Mr. Victor Salazar will have for you, coming all the way down from the corner, all the way down with a big 360 tail whip, everybody. Now these riders are definitely not holding back here today. Now, they like to hear the noise, everybody. Up in the corner, Mr. Victor Salazar. Big decade air. Well done, Mr. Victor Salazar. Now, listen to this. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? How many of you, raise your hand, how many of you want to see these riders go upside down? Are you 100% about this? Victor, Mike, are you ready? Let's make some noise for Mr. Victor Salazar. Right behind Mr. Mike Perrone. Take it away. Big no further. Back-to-back backflips, everybody. Let's give him a big round of applause to Mr. Mike Perrone and Victor Salazar. Wait a minute. We are not done yet. Do we have one more? Don't let them bring you down, no. Let's give him another big round of applause to Victor Salazar, everybody. And let's give another big round of applause to Mr. Mike Perrone.
All right, you guys, I want to thank you for having us out. We're the Wheels of Freestyle from San Diego. We go to schools for school assemblies. If you're interested in bringing our group to your school, we have a motivational message that goes along with our show, and you can check it out at wheelsofreestyle.com. Thanks for having us tonight, you guys. Have a wonderful Olympics, everybody. Give everything you got. All right, take care, guys.
Don't let them bring you down.
Is that all you can say? Come on! Wheels and freestyle, everybody! I mean, that was 4 or 5 great acts. And the main event is now coming. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. In the spirit of the Olympic Games, the California State Games has its very own torch lighting ceremony to signify the opening of the Games. As we continue to celebrate the spirit of the Games, the torch will be carried in by 5 very special athletes, selected as torch runners based on their athletic participation, their achievement, their attitude, their effort, their sportsmanship, and special attributes. Each one of these young athletes truly embodies the spirit of the California State Games, on the field and off. Our first torch runner is Bailey Ramirez. A 10-year-old basketball player from Vallejo, California. Bailey plays basketball with the Bay Area Renegades and has served as team captain for the past 3 years. This year, the Renegades have taken first place in the NorCal basketball tournament and the West Coast basketball tournament. Bailey was named the MVP of the St. Patrick St. Vincent High School squad in the Little Bruin basketball camp in 2013 after receiving the Best Defensive Player Award in 2012 and Most Improved Athlete in 2011. Bailey also plays football and placed first in his division in the 2013-2012 NFL punt, pass, and kick competition. Bailey competes at a high level not only in basketball, but in education and other recreational sports. He has straight A's and excels at being a team player on the court and in the classroom. Bailey is is now handing the torch to Christina Clark, a 14-year-old synchronized swimmer from Lancaster, California. Christina's spirit, love, and passion of sports has enabled her to compete since the age of 4. Her philosophy has always been, win or lose, sportsmanship is key to a good game of meat. Synchronized swimming wasn't available in her area, so she took the initiative to form the AV Synchronized Swimming Team, the Desert Sirens, with her mom, who's her coach. Throughout the year, she's won numerous awards, including All-Stars, Athletes of the Year, while maintaining her place on the honor roll list at school. Whether she's playing soccer, volleyball, or swimming, she's always giving support and encouragement to her teammates. Christina's enjoyed volunteering at the Desert Christian School for the past 2 summers as a volleyball trainer and will continue to volunteer in years to come. Our next torch runner is Melanie Halco, an 11-year-old soccer player from Chula Vista. This is Melanie's first year competing in the California State Games in soccer. She has been part of the games for the past 4 years. She's competed in the California Winter Games, earning 1 gold, 1 silver, and 3 bronze medals in figure skating. She's also earned 1 silver and 1 bronze medal at the 2011 State Games of America. Currently, Melanie is a member of the Bonita Matrix U12 Soccer Club. In 2013, her team won the Pegasus Cup, the Strikers Cup, the Rebels Cup, and the Crown City Classic tournaments. In addition, Melanie loves to run and has participated in 3 5K races since December of 2013. When she is not playing soccer or running, she's reading or pursuing other academic interests. She has won her school spelling bee and school speech contest. She is a member of the school Monarch Butterfly Garden Project, and led by a great teacher, 30 students are improving the school garden and educating others in hopes of saving the monarch butterfly from extinction. Melanie is now handing the torch to Blake Shepard, a 12-year-old sprinter from Ontario, California. Blake illustrates the pure definition of sportsmanship. As a competitor in the California State Games, he is humble in all his accomplishments and encouragements to others. He has determination, discipline, and is inspirational. Blake holds records in both the 200 and 400 meters in Chino Hills after beating a mark that had been placed since 1977. He also recently qualified for the Junior Olympics in the 200 meters and was only 12-year-old runner to qualify in the 13 and 14-year-old age division. In 2013 California State Games, Blake won a bronze medal in the 400 meters and qualified to compete in the State Games of America. Blake has attended aviation school, also plays the trumpet, drums, and piano. He is a 3.8 GPA student with hopes of going to the Naval Academy to become a pilot. Blake Shepard, everybody. And our final torch runner is Riley Waffelmacher, a 16-year-old water polo athlete from Eastvale, California. Loff, as his friends know him, is a dedicated athlete to water polo. He has a positive attitude in and out of the pool, along with his core value of honor, courage, and heart. Makes him a true athlete. An incoming senior, Riley has played varsity water polo since his sophomore year and has been a varsity swimmer since his freshman year. His sportsmanship was shown when he was nominated the Athlete of the Week at Roosevelt High School for water polo and swimmer of the year of the meet last April, when he went above and beyond to encourage the swimmer to finish the 500-yard event by swimming alongside him for 11 laps after completing his 20 laps. Riley always gives a 100% effort in and off the athletic field and out in the pool. He represents the spirit of amateur athletes by his true dedication to the sports he participates in, along with continuing to strive academically. Riley's interested in becoming an adaptive PE teacher, working with special ed kids while also being able to become a high school water polo coach. At 6'7", Riley is known at his school as a gentle giant, all while being a fierce player in the water. At 6'7", he's a great guy to have him light the flame. We don't need the ladder. Let the 2014
gentlemen, please, we want you to be safe. Wait for the lights. Also, parents, please proceed to gate L where you can meet your athletes. We will be releasing the athletes in an orderly manner to avoid confusion. We request that you please do not go to the athlete seating area, or please do not go in the field. No climbing over the railing. Good luck to all athletes. Thank you all for coming.
And there is no exit on the field, ladies and gentlemen. You need to exit through the stadium. You cannot get out this tunnel. Please exit through the stadium. Thank you.